Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, today I'll be doing review on the Shayla times Colourpop collection. So if you're new, please just go ahead, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. So guys, I only got the two highlighters and a lipstick. So the two highlighters that I got, their names are Pose and Boomin', and the lipstick is Ooh. So the packaging is really pretty. I really like it. So I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches. So this is Ooh, Boomin', and Pose. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my face. So this is Pose. As you can see, it's not really showing up on my skin, so I guess it's for persons with more darker skin tone because it has like a copper bronzy shade, and I really like my highlighters to be golden, so I think I will love Boomin' a lot. I'm going to go ahead and place Boomin' on top of Pose, and as you can see, it's really Boomin'. You can see that yellowy shade because it looks golden with a yellow undertone. So I really love this one. So I'm going to just place it on the ice parts of my cheek, my chin, my cupid's bow, tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and in my forehead. And I'm going to use that in my tear duct and on my what do you call that, also on my brow bone. This is definitely going to be my all-time favorite. I really love the pigment of this highlighter. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with a brown lip liner, just a regular lip liner, and then I'm going to add my lippy, which is Ooh, and it's a peachy nude. It's my first time trying this color. I've tried nude lips but not a peachy nude, so I think I should have went in with a lighter lip liner, but I'm gonna still make it work. So I'm just gonna coat it on. It's really pigmented, so I really like it, and it feels so soft on the lips. So here you go, guys. This is a finished look, and look at that glow. Ooh, I really like it. So thumbs up to Shayla. She did a really good job, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.